Yeah, buddy! Yep, yep, yep! Lightweight!
That dude never quiets down. On DNA, potential, and genetic potential. When you run a Google search, it says that rhesus monkeys and humans share 93% of the same DNA. When you compare humans and chimpanzees, it goes up to 99%. A university study that says that the average difference between two humans is 1/10 of 1%. 1/1000 is all that varies on average between a human and another human. This tells me that DNA is so common that great genetics are inside me and inside you. How you have a huge variance with such a tiny true DNA variance, that's gene expression. And putting it in a sentence, gene expression is solely based on the actions you take. If you sit around all the time, you're going to be out of shape. If you train and eat and do them both well, you're going to be built well and in shape. It's that simple. It's not a complicated thing. Perspective of genetics. When you talk to most young adults, they all, the ones that are in the gym, seem to view themselves as not having good genetics. That's just shooting yourself in the foot from the gate. You need to look at it from a positive angle, regardless of what you think your genetics are. You have to look at it from a positive perspective, not a negative perspective. A dude who's super wiry, has very little muscle and zero body fat, he's never going to put on an ounce of fat. He's always going to be lean. Positive. A mesomorph, he's muscular. He's pretty much always going to be muscular. Positive. Big fat dude. Has 100 pounds on that mesomorph. He could cry about it and be like, oh, I'm fat. Or he could look at it from the positive angle, calculate his body fat percentage out, and then look at his lean body mass and go, oh shit, I'm the same height as the mesomorph, but I have 40 pounds of lean mass more than his entire body weight. And that brings you to the so-called skinny fat, the one that the internet claims is the doomed to never be built well dude. Which is wrong. Everyone can get built well. It's just a matter of effort and years. That's all it comes down to. Regardless of where your genetics are, effort and years, you're good. Period. That skinny fat dude, negative percentage is, oh, I'm skinny fat. I'm always going to be skinny fat. That's wrong. What he needs to look at it is as, I'm skinny fat, I'm going to change it. By having the worst starting point, I'm allowed the most epic journey to overcome it. Those are my thoughts for the day on DNA, genetics, and genetic potential. Persistence and tenacity. Jay, out. Cut it.